Hi, boys and girls. We are going to keep on writing today. And what we're going to be working on writing is we're going to be writing all about science and things that we learned about harsh and severe weather. Severe means really, really intense or really, really strong weather. So you might remember from our field trip that we were talking about tornadoes, and tornadoes is a kind of really dangerous, really strong weather. So today we're going to write a few sentences about what we know about this type of weather. Before we start writing, we need to learn a couple words. We practiced these last week, I think, and we're going to practice them again. The first word that we're going to practice is not. Can you say not? Not. Good job. Not. So not, let's spell it together. N-O-T spells not. N-O-T spells not. N-O-T spells not. Not. Let's think about a sentence we could use with the word not. My sentence is, I do not like peas. Ugh, I do not like peas. Do you have an idea for a sentence that you could use with the word not? Oh, good job. So that's the word not. So we're going to need that today. Not. This is the next word we're going to practice. This is the word all. Can you say all? Good. Let's whisper it. All. Good. Let's say it like we're underwater. All. Good job. Okay. Now let's spell it together. A-L-L spells all. A-L-L spells all. A-L-L spells all. Good job. All is our next word. Can you think of a word or a sentence where you use the word all? All. I like all kinds of ice cream. All. So we're going to use those words when we write today. What I wanted to write is that not all weather is safe. We know that because we learned about tornadoes. So not all weather is safe. That's the first thing I want to write. Can you help me write my lines for that? Okay, let's do it. Not all weather is safe. Remember, we need a period at the end of the sentence. In my next sentence, I wanted to talk about how some weather can be a little bit dangerous. That's the opposite of safe. That means that it can put us in danger. Sometimes it can be scary. So I want to say that it can be dangerous. Can you help me write that? It can be dangerous. Let's write our lines. It can be dangerous. That's a long word. I know that's a long word because I can hear it has 3 syllables. Dangerous. 3 syllables. It's a long one. Let's practice our sentences one more time before we draw. Not all weather is safe. It can be dangerous. I want to write about some of the things in weather that can be unsafe or dangerous. Some of the things that can make weather unsafe are really, really strong winds. So I'm going to draw some squiggly lines, right? We know that sometimes wind can be really, really strong. Another thing that can make weather dangerous is sometimes if there's too much rain with that wind. Too much rain and sometimes too much snow. So I'm going to do some snowflakes. Normally I do an X and then a line through to show a snowflake. And then sometimes it can just be too hot or too sunny and it can cause things to dry up. So sometimes if the weather gets too strong, it can be dangerous, like in a tornado, right? Okay, let's write our first sentence. Remember, I wanted to write, not all weather is safe. We are so lucky we practiced these words first. So I know my first word is not. But I'm not going to use this N, right? What kind of N am I going to use? That's right, I'm going to use a capital N. So let's make a big capital N. Not. not, not, not all. Good job. Good thing we have our word all here. A-L-L. Not all weather. What sound do you hear at the beginning of that word? Weather. W. That's right. Weather. Oh, weather. E like egg. Weather. Then there's an A in there. Do you know what two letters together make v? Kind of like in the word the and this. Yeah, those words the and this start with TH. So when we hear in weather, that's TH. Weather. Normally when we hear that sound at the end of a word, like weather, that's an E and then an R. Sometimes we forget that E and we just write the R. But if you hear at the end weather, and if you hear at the end, that means we need ER. Not all weather is. Easy. Easy snap word. Is what? Safe. Good job. Let's sound that out together. A. I hear S, A, F. And what you're going to learn in first grade is that we need a magic E at the end of that word to make the A sound like A and not A. Not all weather is safe. It can be dangerous. Thanks for reminding me. What's this first word again? It. Okay. Did I do a good job? Oh no, I need to fix it up. I forgot that in the first letter of my first word in a sentence, I need to have a capital. There we go. That looks good. It can. We know how to write can. C-A-N. It can be. We know how to write be. It can be. Oh, this is the long word. Dangerous. Dangerous. Let's focus on that first part. Dane. What do you hear in Dane? D-A-N. Yeah, I hear D-A-N. Danger. Remember like in weather, that is ER? But in this word danger, the J sound is actually coming from a G. Dangerous. Dangerous. Yeah, I hear S, but I need an O first. O-U-S. Not all weather is safe. It can be dangerous. Do you know other types of weather that can be dangerous? Thanks for your help today with my science writing. I'll see you guys on Wednesday.